What's going on, guys? I'm back again. It still didn't fall down yet. It's raining again. Let's hope nothing gets striked in this yard again. So yeah. Let's hope not. It's pretty much raining pretty hard now. Alright guys, I better hurry and run just in case something gets striked. Alright guys, I'm over here. I'm still out in the rain. But I'm coming over here. Holy crap, let's hope nothing gets striked. Holy crap! That's it. Yo, as you can tell, guys, it was raining very, very hard. I'm sorry guys about the bad cam, cause my phone got cracked up very, very bad. It was raining a bit harder than this earlier, but it wasn't even going. It wasn't even going like really slow, like drizzling. It was going like really fast, like a start. Oh, you know what I mean, guys. My dad almost got hit in the head with one, and it was on fire. It was like right next to his freaking face. Why does Jesus always have to go for the faces? It hit my neighbor in the face almost. It almost hit me in the face. And it also hit my dad it almost hit my dad in the face. Why does Jesus always have to go for faces? Yeah. Let me go tell that to my dad. Derek, why does Jesus always have to go for the faces? It almost hit him in the face, it almost hit me in the face, and it almost hit you in the face. Jesus always goes for the faces.
This big chunk up for me.
I don't know. Yo, y'all wanna watch Friday? Yo, come on, bro. What's up?
Let it drink
Oh guys, one thing I forgot to show you before anything gets striked again. Right here on the shed, it got messed up. I don't know where the piece is. It was here earlier. I have no dang clue. And I don't know, guys. Like, it was here earlier. It's kind of creeping me out, so. Wait, is that it? No, that ain't it. Okay, they probably took it somewhere. I saw them set it down there, but I don't know what happened to it now. Probably somewhere else. So, guys, this is what happened to the shed. And also, bad cam still. I promise, guys, I will get another camera. I promise, guys, I will. Imagine that thing exploded. I don't even know if anything's in it. Let me. Nope, nothing's in it, I don't think. Like right now, it's all good. I think there's supposed to be a thunderstorm later. And over there, it don't matter that shed right there gets messed up because it's already messed up. It was somebody's that had a busted window and everything. Yeah, like. Okay, guys, that's at the end of the video. Bye.